Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the controller supports Bluetooth and the PC has a working adapter. Once done, press the Xbox button to power the pad, then hold the small pair button until the Xbox light flashes rapidly. Make sure Windows Bluetooth is enabled in Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and other devices. This sequence puts the controller into discoverable mode so Windows can see it. You do these steps first because pairing won't appear until the controller actively advertises itself. You now add the controller in Windows. Open Settings, choose Devices, then add Bluetooth or other device and pick Bluetooth. Select Xbox Wireless Controller from the list. Once selected, Windows will exchange keys and install the basic X input driver automatically, which is why you should wait until the installation completes before testing. If the controller's light becomes steady, that indicates a stable connection. Make sure you aren't inside a Bluetooth pairing limit or near heavy interference while Windows configures the device. You finish by verifying functionality. Open Control Panel devices and printers or Steam Big Picture to test button inputs and axis motion. If buttons are missing or latency appears, remove the controller in Bluetooth settings and repeat the pairing. Sometimes a fresh handshake clears conflicts. If problems persist, connect with USB to update firmware in the Xbox Accessories app, or try a different Bluetooth adapter. Those steps resolve most driver or hardware compatibility issues and get you back to gameplay quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.